Hello students, myself Nidhi Shakarya from JMP English Medium Saraswati Group of Education. Today I am conducting the session for grade 5 subject Math. Now, before we begin with our first chapter, we are going to perform some fun math activities. Now, you have already learned about solid shapes, that is 3D shapes, cube, cylinder, cone and sphere in your previous grade. So, you have to take a sheet of paper and illustrate one object that you come across in daily life for each of the following shapes.
So, this is a sample. Like this you have to illustrate. First you have to write the name of the solid shape, 3D shape. Then below that you have to illustrate the object which is of that shape. And below that you have to label the object. Now these are just examples of objects. Students, you have to think of your own examples of objects and illustrate them on your sheet of paper.
Now, your second activity is related to measurement of length. So, on a sheet of paper, you have to list down 5 things that are measured in meters and 5 things that are measured in centimeters.
So, like this, you have to write 5 things that are measured in meters. Then below that, you have to start with your list. For example, first, height of a door. And you have to list up to 5 things. And then below that, you have to write 5 things that are measured in centimeters. For example, first, length of a pencil. Like that, again you have to list up to 5 things.
Now, for your third activity, you have to count the number of letters in your name and surname.
And then on your paper, you have to write like this. First, you have to write your name. Then you have to write number of letters in my name is equal to, and then you have to put the count. Then you have to mention whether that number is a prime number or a composite number. Next, you have to mention your surname. Then you have to write number of letters in my surname is equal to, and then you have to write the count. Then again you have to mention whether that number is a prime number or a composite number.
So students, you have to take a clear picture of the sheets of paper on which you perform these activities and send it to the WhatsApp number of school. Hope you enjoy performing these activities. We will meet in the next session. Till then, keep safe.